At a Cadillac show today, and Cadillac has brought out some of their race cars. And this 54 actually raced the Panamerican highway, which goes all the way through Mexico into the U.S. Actually, I think now it goes down to the southern tip of South America and up to Alaska. I think the race is pretty much mainly through Mexico, or used to be. I don't think it exists anymore. Oh, Ray-Bestos brakes, and they're not drivers, they're pilots. God, the stories this car could tell. What a cool history.